Hello there, I'm attorney Kelly Longtin, founder of Kelly Longtin Law, and I want to thank you for watching this YouTube video on home improvement estate planning considerations. Now, different generations spend differently on home renovations. Millennials, for example, tend to focus on projects around family formation and favor a do-it-yourself approach. Where baby boomers and the silent generation, on the other hand, they prioritize projects that make the home more livable as they age and are more likely to hire a professional contractor. Now, there are also generational differences in estate planning. Although 60% of US adults have no estate plan, 81% of people age 72 or older and 58% of those ages 53 through 71 have estate planning documents. Now, a home is the largest purchase that people will ever make. For the average American, home equity accounts for about 65 to 70% of their net worth. The home should therefore feature prominently in any estate plan. Now, home remodeling can necessitate estate planning changes. Now, there are a few estate planning considerations to keep in mind when remodeling your home. Homeowners may place their property in a revocable living trust to avoid probate. Now, placing property in a trust makes the trust the legal owner of the property, which requires drafting a new deed into the trust's name. A home equity, also known as a second mortgage, allows homeowners to borrow money using the equity in their home as collateral. A home equity loan is disbursed in a lump sum and then paid back in monthly installments. This type of loan is often used to pay for big expenses, such as home improvement projects. Now, some lenders prefer not only to extend a home equity line of credit to a person, not a trust. Now, depending on the bank, this could mean taking a property held in trust out of the trust and then deeding it back to the homeowner. The property can be transferred back into the trust when the loan is later secured. The homeowner does not have to wait until the loan is repaid. If you deed your home out of the trust and back to you, make sure that the home gets transferred back to the trust if you want to avoid probate. Remodels are a great way to make money. The return on investment for remodeling projects ranges from 54% to 87%. But depending on the neighborhood, region, market, and project expense, home improvement can significantly increase a property's value, especially over time, since home prices increase about 5% each year. Median home prices have risen drastically over the years, from just under $18,000 in 1963 to more than $467,000 in 2022. Record growth in home prices during the pandemic accelerated this trend. And while median prices are declining in some markets, they mostly do remain above pre-pandemic levels. Now, with or without major renovations, a home purchased years ago is likely to have appreciated over time. In certain areas, homes purchased in 2000 appreciated over 200%. Average prices in San Francisco, for example, have increased from $364,000 to $1.12 million since the year 2000. Home value changes may affect a homeowner's estate plan. If leaving the property to a specific person and wanting to treat beneficiaries equally, an estate plan may need to be reconfigured to equalize each beneficiary's inheritance. One option to do this is to leave the home to more than one person. However, care must be taken to avoid conflict among multiple beneficiaries. The estate plan should stipulate how the home will be co-owned and provide a plan for the recipients to sell their interest in it. Now, older adults have a strong preference for growing old in their current homes. 90% of respondents told AARP that they want to age in place. At the same time, nearly 50% said they would have not considered the changes to their home may need to accommodate them as they grow older. Now, remodeling projects specific to aging in place average less than $10,000, but they can cost up to $40,000 or more. Because older adults tend to have more equity in their homes and more savings, an aging in place project may be affordable, but unless paying cash for a project, it may also entail taking out a loan. Now, any debt that outlives a person needs to be paid during estate or trust administration. Creditors have preference over most heirs, and every dollar that goes to paying back a loan is one less dollar that goes to a beneficiary. While aging in place usually costs less than a nursing home, having less cash on hand or added debt can impact someone's estate planning goals. Americans renovate their homes every 3 to 5 years, and this is the same time interval that attorneys recommend reviewing an estate plan. Once you have refinished modeling your home, you should consider remodeling your estate plan. In addition to home improvements, there may have been other life events in recent years that warrant an estate plan update. Making changes to your plan doesn't cost that much, and you will buy peace of mind knowing that your plan reflects your current wishes. So if you need revisions or you need to discuss a change in plan, please reach out to your estate planning attorney. If you need help in Massachusetts or New Hampshire, feel free to contact us, and we're happy to review your estate plan with you. So I want to thank you for watching. I hope you found this YouTube video beneficial. So please like and subscribe our page to learn more about estate planning, different topics that may or may not affect your estate planning, and the benefits of estate planning for you and your family. Thank you for watching. I'm attorney Kelly Longtin, founder of Kelly Longtin Law, where we specialize solely in estate planning for everyday families.